Hey guys, and welcome back to this special Vegas travel vlog where I share with you everything I did on my 40th birthday. This is our third time in Vegas and I couldn't think of any other place I wanted to spend my birthday other than here, as we have so many fond memories. So Ben surprised me with this special trip and I wanted to share with you what I did and also recommend some of our favourite places in Vegas. Every birthday we always play Stevie Wonder's Happy Birthday. It's an absolute tradition. But onto the skincare, I wanted to prep my skin ready for the day, and these Patchology sheet masks are perfect as they only take 5 minutes just to inject that much needed hydration back into the skin, as the jet lag was so real on this trip. We stayed at the MGM Grand this time, which is an iconic hotel, and as you can see it was pretty quiet in places because December is actually one of the best times to go to beat the crowds. It's also totally worth getting up earlier just to experience things while it is a bit quieter in the mornings. And the MGM is near the end of the strip where the airport is, so it does tend to be less busier, but it does get a lot busier as you go towards the middle of the strip. On my birthday, I wanted to do all the things that I really enjoy and love, and of course one of them was a Starbucks stop to start the day off. I always love the choice in the US Starbucks, and there was actually 3 shops in our hotel alone.
It's all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
The Venetian is one of my favourite hotels to visit because of the attention to detail in the buildings, outside and inside. The whole hotel is just breathtaking and definitely worth a look. It's where, in my opinion as well, the best and biggest Sephora is located. I did do a haul of what I picked up over on my YouTube shorts, and I'll have that link down below, but they have the most amazing selection in there. Now you guys, if you are foodies like Ben and I, then you will love Vegas. There is so many places to choose from, whatever your budget, taste or appetite. We decided to book 2 restaurants on this trip that were both recommended by Travel Ruby here on YouTube. The first was Otoro Grill and Sushi, located in the Mirage. The sushi was incredible and I highly recommend the lobster tempura, and the service was absolutely amazing. Then for my birthday I wanted to try Lisa Vanderpump's Vanderpump à Paris, located of course in the Paris Hotel. You guys, this place was a total vibe. The decor, cocktails and the food were insane. It is more appetizers than anything, but they will definitely fill you up. Have a husband or partner that's into sports, then a hockey game at the T-Mobile Stadium or Topgolf that's located behind the MGM is a great night out, plus they do bar style food too. Also, if you get the chance and a game is on, then the NFL is one of our top picks. The atmosphere is amazing, the stadium incredible, and you really get to experience the NFL on another level. They also have a great merch shop and an epic halftime show. Another one of our favourite spots for faster food is Eataly, located in the Park MGM. This was a little pricey, however, if you love Italian food and you want something quick with a great atmosphere and beautiful decor, then this is the place to go. If you're visiting around the holidays just like us, then most of the hotels are worth a visit for the holiday decor, but the Bellagio Conservatory has to be top of the list for photo-worthy displays. We've also been in the autumn and the displays are just as breathtaking. Finally, if you enjoy shopping, then Vegas has it all, especially designer. But if you want to find yourself at a discount, then we actually took 2 trips to the Las Vegas Premium Outlets South. The bus is the easiest way to get there and the outlets are impressive. They do have a North Mall, but personally I think the South is where it's at. Also, our favourite shopping mall on the Strip is definitely the Fashion Show Mall, located opposite the Wynn and the Encore. There is everything from Bath and Body Works to Sephora, Nordstrom to Dick's Sporting Goods. It is huge and totally worth a trip. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it as much as we did traveling there again. It was such an amazing trip. I hope you all had a great weekend, and I will look forward to seeing you on Monday with my Monday motivation. Clean with me. Take care guys. Bye.